Hello everyone, welcome to Quantumnnestmedia, your trusted source for clear, simple, and reliable finance and business news. Today is 2nd January 2026, and in this video, we'll take a detailed look at the top finance breaking news from India, market trends, policy updates, and what investors should watch in the coming days. Let's get started. Indian stock markets began the new year 2026 on a cautious and range-bound note. The BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50 showed limited movement as investors preferred to stay selective rather than aggressive. This cautious approach reflects uncertainty around global cues, upcoming earnings, and policy signals. Banking and infrastructure stocks attracted mild buying interest, supported by expectations of stable credit growth and government spending. On the other hand, FMCG and metal stocks faced pressure as investors booked profits after last year's rally. Market experts say that while long-term sentiment remains positive for India, short-term movements may remain volatile as markets search for direction. One of the biggest sector-specific developments today came from the tobacco segment. Tobacco stocks declined sharply after the government announced an increase in excise duty on cigarettes. Major companies, including ITC, witnessed selling pressure as investors reacted to the potential impact on margins and sales volumes. Analysts believe higher taxes could lead to price hikes, which may reduce demand in the short term. While the move aligns with the government's public health objectives and revenue goals, it adds uncertainty for investors holding tobacco stocks. Market participants will closely watch how companies respond through pricing strategies and cost control. Attention is now gradually shifting towards the IT sector, which is set to play a key role in shaping market sentiment this month. Leading IT companies such as Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, and HCL Tech are scheduled to announce their Q3 FY26 earnings in January. Investors are closely tracking updates on global client spending, new deal wins, and outlook for the rest of 2026. With economic uncertainty still present in the US and Europe, management commentary will be crucial in understanding demand trends and growth expectations. Any positive surprise from IT earnings could provide near-term support to the broader markets. In a major positive development for the public, India's finance ministry has announced that over Rs 4,200 crore worth of unclaimed financial assets have been returned to rightful owners. These assets include unclaimed bank deposits, insurance proceeds, and dividends. This initiative is being seen as a strong step toward improving financial transparency and strengthening trust in the financial system. Officials have also urged citizens to regularly check for unclaimed assets and keep their financial records updated to avoid such situations in the future. From a policy perspective, investors are keeping a close watch on the Reserve Bank of India. With inflation trends stabilizing and economic growth showing resilience, market participants are eager for guidance on interest rates, liquidity conditions, and future monetary policy direction. While there is no immediate announcement expected, any signals from the RBI regarding inflation control or growth support could significantly influence banking stocks and overall market sentiment in the coming months. Another important area of focus for investors is dividend yield stocks. With markets remaining volatile, income-focused investors are looking at companies known for consistent dividend payouts, especially in sectors like energy, mining, and public sector enterprises. These stocks are being viewed as relatively stable options in uncertain market conditions. Overall, the key themes for early 2026 are cautious optimism, earnings-driven movements, and policy awareness. Investors are advised to stay disciplined, focus on fundamentals, and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term volatility. To summarize today's finance update, Indian markets have started 2026 on a cautious note. Tobacco stocks are under pressure due to higher taxes, IT earnings are in focus, unclaimed assets worth thousands of crores are being returned to citizens, and investors are closely watching signals from the Reserve Bank of India. That's all for today's finance breaking news update from India. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Quantumnnestmedia for daily business and market updates. Thank you for watching, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.